Okay, and now we are really testing that how this normal D gear, drive gear, stops this car when we are driving in downhill. Now we are in downhill area and we can see that speed is all time 70. It little bit drops, but it is almost, now we go even this downhill more, and we can see that this 70, 71 it goes bigger, and in this way like speed goes higher even that I don't press gas pedal. But then when I change this my gear in here in this B, like electric brake, look, now I press that switch and now it is like B position. We can see that this my speed drops really aggressive way. And let's look that when I next we have nice downhill, and now when I move this my now we can see that when I take this braking position, the speed drops really fast. In here we can see it is like 50% more efficient, this speed dropping, when we use this electric brake gear. And this is really useful device when we are driving like in highway where are big hills, because then we can save our car's brakes. And this is really if you are driving in really high mountain or hills area and you have to use your brakes, then this brake position is really excellent. If you are living like in mountain area, like in Switzerland also and Norway, and in these California's hills where we have those big mountains. Okay, and now I release again gas pedal, and we can see that how active way the speed drops. Now we can see I don't press any brake now. This is really aggressive electric braking. Okay, and soon we are like in 0 speed. Okay, and now I change my gear back in D, and this is really possible to change in within this driving. Now I am in this normal drive position. Okay, that kind of this electric brake information to you. And this car is really Toyota Corolla hybrid, and this is really excellent car. And this B braking position is also in this Toyota Prius car, also similar.